Geometry lesson 3-1, starting chapter 3, lines and angles. All right, parallel, perpendicular, and skew lines. Parallel lines, with that symbol right there, the two vertical lines, are coplanar and do not intersect. In the figure, AB is parallel to EF, and EF is parallel to FH. Or excuse me, EG is parallel to FH. Perpendicular lines with the upside down T there intersect at 90-degree angles. So AB and BF, FH, HW, some examples of perpendicular lines. Skew lines are not coplanar, not parallel, and don't intersect. So you're kind of looking at the figure here. AB and EG would be skew. BF and WC would be skew. And then parallel planes, planes that do not intersect. Remember, we use three letters to indicate a plane. So ABE and plane CDG. There is no D on there. That's interesting. So ABE and plane CWG would be parallel planes, kind of the top and the bottom, the sides, some different examples. All right. Segments or rays are parallel, perpendicular, skew if the lines that contain them are also parallel, perpendicular, or skew. All right. Identify each of the following. A pair of parallel segments. So if you're looking at the picture, CD and BE would be parallel. DE and CB would be parallel. A pair of skew segments. Skew would be GF and CD, or EJ and CB. So skew segments. Perpendicular. Pair of perpendicular segments. BE and EJ, and FB and BE. Lots of perpendicular segments. And last, a pair of parallel planes. So you could look at the top and the bottom of that box, CBE and GFJ. The sides, EDH and BCJ, or BCG, excuse me, would be parallel planes. Okay, angle pairs formed by a transversal. So a transversal is a line that intersects two coplanar lines at two different points. The transversal and two lines form 8 different angles. They are corresponding angles. So in this example, 1 and 5 would be corresponding. 3 and 7 would be corresponding. 2 and 6 and 4 and 8. Okay, alternate interior angles, non-adjacent angles, lie on opposite sides of the transversal. So 3 and 6 would be alternate interior, as would 4 and 5. Alternate exterior, outside on the opposite sides of the transversal. So 7 and 2, 1 and 8. And then last but not least, same side interior, same side transversal on the inside. So 3 and 5, 4 and 6. All right, so it's important we understand what these angles look like. So let's give it a whirl here. A, corresponding angles. So let's name all the corresponding angles in the diagram. Well, 1 and 5 would be corresponding, 4 and 8, 2 and 6, and 3 and 7. Alternate interior, 4 and 6, and 3 and 5. Alternate exterior, 1 and 7, 2 and 8. Same side interior, 4 and 5, 3 and 6. All right, flipped it on us. Let's try that again. All pairs of corresponding angles, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 5 and 7, 6 and 8. Alternate interior, 2 and 7, 3 and 6. Alternate exteriors, 1 and 8, 4 and 5. Same side interior, 6 and 7, 2 and 3. All right, to determine which line is a transversal for a given angle pair, locate the line that connects the vertices. All right, so identify the transversal and classify each angle pair. All right, well, 1 and 3 are here and here. So for this one, L would be the transversal. And then what kind of angle pair are 1 and 3? Corresponding. Okay. 2 and 6. That would mean N would be the transversal for this one. And then what kind of angle pair are 2 and 6? Well, that'd be inside and alternate, so alternate interior angles. 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Well, that's here and here. So M for the last one would be your transversal. And then 4 and 6 are outside. So those would be alternate exterior angles. All right. 2 and 5. And name the transversal as well. Well, 2 and 5 are here and here. So that's looking like that N would be the transversal. And then what kind of angle pair are 2 and 5? Same side interior. All right, so make sure you understand your lines and your angle pairs for lesson 3-1.